Hey everybody, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. I have some new merch now, so be sure to check it out before you leave this video. I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial today. This is my New Year's set of nails. So it's super easy. I learned it by watching Kella Marissa here on YouTube. She's a fabulous teacher. Check her out. We're going to start off with something just to treat my nails, keep them nice and neat. This is Nail Teaks Formula 3, and I'm just applying that on my nails as a base because it really treats my nails nice and I need to protect them. Next, I'm going to use a shade that's not out yet. This is from Sinful Colors. It's called Strike a Pose, and it is a part of their Naughty Nudes collection that will be coming out February of 2019. So you guys are getting a sneak peek. All right, so I'm applying that on all of my nails. It's a beautiful nudish tone. It has a little bit of a duochromeness with a teal blue. It's beautiful in person. Next, I'm going to be using Zoya's Cosmo, and this is the glitz and glam for this nail look. I'm using your makeup wedge right there. And we're just going to apply Cosmo on that wedge. Everybody has those wedges laying around, so let's put them to some use. We're just going to tap that on the edge of the nail. And it doesn't matter if it starts drifting closer to the cuticle or anything. The more glitter, the better. It's a super easy nail tutorial. Anybody can do this. I was shocked I was able to do it. It came out gorgeous. Next, we're going to apply some top coat because that's what's going to make that glitter really stand out. So I'm using Sinful Colors top coat, very affordable. And you're just putting on one layer of top coat. If you want to do two, you can do two. And you're going to allow that to dry. Now the nail polish itself, I did do 2 coats of the nail polish, 1 small amount of Cosmo, the glitter, and 1 coat of top coat. And that's it. Super easy tutorial. I know you can do it, and I hope you guys have a fabulous new year. Also, be sure to check out my makeup look that is inspired by these nails, and I will be coming back very shortly to show you the entire Naughty Nudes collection from Sinful Colors. Be sure to share this video, and you guys have a happy new year. God bless.